This is Joan of Art and I'm here at RAPHA Valley, your destiny to wellness. If there is one place here at Don Salvador Benedicto that you must visit, it's here at RAPHA Valley. I highly recommend this place. So let's get inside and see what they have to offer. It's the signboard of RAPHA Valley wherein we are to turn right down this road. The road here is not that bad. Even the unpaved road is compact. You are now at RAPHA Valley. You turn left and there's a huge welcome sign and the wide open gates to welcome you into their place. And the entrance fee is consumable. Welcome to RAPHA Valley, your destiny to wellness. Come in. Huge parking space for guests with vehicles. This is the original structure. See how cool is it here? Just imagine if you're perched up there and you get to see this awesome view of Mount Canlaon. I so love it here. This is the tent restaurant. This used to be a real tent restaurant until they changed it to this one. Very nice. Let food be your medicine. To RAPHA Cafe, the interior. And there's always the view of the restaurant dining area. Wow, healthy salad and healthy lunch. They're just too nice to eat. What can I say? I'm so pampered here. Wow, and another one. Ready for dessert. Coco de leche. This is my casita. Nice beddings. Nice room. Ooh, there's coffee. And I don't even need an electric fan because it's really very windy and airy outside. You have your own mini veranda and it's also the toilet is very nice. There's hot and cold shower. It's very cool inside. There's TV. There's no aircon. Apparently you don't need one because it's very cool inside. Very cool. What are you waiting for, John? Dive in and relax. It's really nice in here. I highly recommend staying here. And it's also for wellness because of the food, the diet. You get to eat farm to table, organic, fresh food. Every little detail makes you feel welcome, makes you feel at home. And I like this. Can you eat the pineapple? Ah, that's too pretty. Monkey, he's the flower tester, the official flower tester of the RAPHA Valley salad. I just had this flower for lunch. I wonder if I can eat this. Looks delicious. I think I had this one in my salad. Eat healthy with a healthy breakfast. They also have lots of souvenir items at their gift shop. This is Joan of Arc from RAPHA Valley, Don Salvador Benedicto. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.